Welcome to this introduction to Amazon EKS, which stands for Elastic Kubernetes Service. EKS is part of the AWS Container series, where we explore different container orchestration and management services offered by Amazon Web Services. In this video, we'll cover the fundamentals of EKS and why it has become such a popular choice for running Kubernetes workloads on AWS. Amazon EKS is a fully managed Kubernetes service that eliminates the complexity of running and maintaining the Kubernetes control plane infrastructure on AWS, instead of you having to set up, configure, and maintain the master nodes yourself. AWS handles all of that for you. This includes managing control plane operations, applying security patches, and performing version updates automatically. With built-in security and compliance features, you can deploy production-ready Kubernetes clusters in just minutes, allowing you to focus on your applications rather than infrastructure management. There are several compelling reasons to choose EKS for your Kubernetes workloads. First, you get a managed control plane where AWS automatically handles the availability, scaling, and patching of your Kubernetes master nodes. Second, EKS provides native integration with AWS services like IAM for authentication, VPC for networking, and elastic load balancing for traffic distribution. Third, EKS runs certified upstream Kubernetes, which means full compatibility with standard Kubernetes tools and applications. Finally, the control plane is automatically deployed across multiple availability zones, giving you high availability without any additional configuration. EKS architecture consists of three main components. The control plane is the brain of your Kubernetes cluster and is fully managed by AWS. It runs across multiple availability zones for high availability. The data plane consists of worker nodes, which are the compute resources where your containers actually run. You manage these worker nodes, but EKS makes this easier with various options. Finally, your workloads run as containers inside pods on these worker nodes. This is where your actual applications live and serve traffic. Let's dive deeper into the control plane components that AWS manages for you. The API server handles all Kubernetes API requests and commands, serving as the front door to your cluster. The etc. database is a highly reliable key-value store that holds your cluster's state and configuration. With automatic backups managed by AWS, the scheduler and controllers work together to manage pod placement and cluster operations, deciding where containers should run and maintaining your desired state. All of these components are automatically deployed across multiple availability zones, so if one zone goes down, your cluster continues operating without interruption. EKS offers three different options for running your worker nodes, each suited to different use cases. Managed node groups are the easiest option, where AWS automates the provisioning and entire lifecycle management of your EC2 instances. Self-managed nodes give you full control over your EC2 instances and their configurations, useful when you need specific customizations or specialized hardware. AWS Fargate is the serverless option, where you don't manage any nodes at all. Fargate automatically provisions the right amount of compute capacity for each pod, making it ideal for workloads where you want zero infrastructure management. EKS comes with several powerful features that make it production-ready out of the box. IAM integration provides native AWS authentication and authorization, allowing you to use your existing AWS identity and access management policies. CloudWatch logging gives you built-in monitoring and observability, so you can track cluster health and application performance. VPC networking enables secure cluster isolation using Amazon Virtual Private Cloud, keeping your workloads protected within your own private network. Auto updates means EKS manages Kubernetes version upgrades for you, ensuring your cluster stays current with the latest features and security patches. Getting started with EKS is straightforward and follows four main steps. First, create your EKS cluster using the AWS console, the AWS CLI, or infrastructure as code tools like Terraform or CloudFormation. Second, configure kubectl, the Kubernetes command line tool, to connect to your cluster using your AWS CLI credentials. Third, add worker nodes to your cluster by deploying either managed node groups, self-managed nodes, or Fargate profiles, depending on your requirements. Finally, deploy your applications using standard Kubernetes manifests and tools, just like you would on any other Kubernetes cluster. EKS is fully compatible with the Kubernetes ecosystem, so all your existing knowledge and tools continue to work.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.